Scientists warned him. The government ordered him. His own family begged him. He said no to all of them. 1980, Washington State, USA. Mount St. Helens, one of the most dangerous volcanoes in America, was about to explode. Authorities evacuated everyone within miles. Everyone except one man. His name was Harry Truman, 83 years old. He had lived next to this mountain for 54 years. His lodge sat right at the base of the volcano, right in the kill zone. Scientists told him, "You will die." He looked them in the eye and said, "That mountain is a part of me, and I'm a part of that mountain." For weeks, the whole world watched. News cameras, reporters, government officials, everyone waiting for Harry to finally leave. Harry just sat on his porch and drank bourbon. May 18th, 1980, 8:32 a.m. Mount St. Helens erupted. The explosion was 500 times more powerful than an atomic bomb. It destroyed everything within 230 square miles. The entire mountaintop gone in seconds. Harry Truman, his lodge, Spirit Lake, buried under 150 feet of volcanic ash. His body was never found. He knew it was coming. He chose to stay anyway. Some call it madness. Some call it the purest love a human can have for a place, for a home, for a mountain. Harry Truman didn't run from death. He decided if he had to go, he'd go home. Follow, because real life has no script.